Good morning to all. In this lecture series, first we are going to see data manipulation with pandas. So first we must understand what is the use of pandas. Then we'll see one by one. So pandas is a core Python library for data manipulation, cleaning and analysis. It provides powerful data structures primarily used for a data frame, that is like a 2D table. And also it can be helped to handle and process the structured data. The next important things, how to this is an objective of this particular session. Yeah, first one, we are going to see uh, how to import and how to explore the data. For an example, there is a syntax is called pd dot. We have to mention the file name. For an example, we can extract the information from an Excel file and also CSV file. Then after that, we can do the analysis process. Second important step in the pandas library is data inspection and the exploration. Understanding the data structures, we must understand the three important points. First one is first view the first few rows, then get the summary. There is a syntax used for get summary is df.info. Then df.describe, it contain and also it summarize the statistics. Yeah. So during the class hours, we are planned to conduct these activities. Yeah. Next important thing we are going to see, that is data cleaning and the pre-processing. Yeah. For an example, if we want to analyze a number of datas, we must all the contents initially are stored in an Excel file. First we have to import with the help of pandas library. After that we have done some analysis process. For an example, we have an Excel file contains the students databases. It includes the entire details of the students. If we upload it in a program, we can do some analysis process. We can retrieve the information from the data. We can do some modification. So whatever we required, we can do all the process. The next one is, again I'm repeating, real world data is often messy and pandas provides tool to handle this. So three important things we are going to see. One, handling the missing values. The second important thing is removing duplicates. The third important thing is correcting data types. So if we want to perform these things, there is options are available. So in the practical session, we'll see all these things. So this is a summary of whatever things that we have seen. This is a summary of this. First one is pandas mainly used to provide a data frame, and also it is a fundamental operation for data manipulation. Then what are the applications of the panda? Another important thing, explore practical uses of pandas in data analysis, data manipulation, cleaning across the diverse fields such as finance, healthcare and research. In this all the areas we can use the library that is called as a pandas. The next one is reflection and pair sharing. So before end of this particular session, we have conducted some quiz. Then we have to revise and we can also check the knowledge, how whether the students understand this particular concept or not. So we have conducted all things. So before end of thing, I want to share one additional point. So we have to select and filtering the data. That is very, very important. For an example, focusing on the specific set of data is a crucial for analysis. For an example, how to selecting a columns, how to selecting a rows. Another names for row is an indexing. How to filtering. So these are all very, very important. Then another important thing we have to remember is data transformation and aggregation. So modifying data values and summarizing data are a common task. So what are the things we generally do this? Adding and removing the columns, renaming the columns, and grouping the data. So and applying some of the functions, and if possible, we can merging the data frames. So these are all the some of the additional points we have to remember while working with the pandas. So that's all about this particular session. Thank you.